We all know last year Logitech celebrated the 10th anniversary of the 502 mouse. Well, I want to show you something that they sent me. Now, only 500 of these were made. It's the limited edition G502 Aluminum 10-year anniversary gaming mouse. Let's open this bad boy up. Of course, I had to share this with you guys because you all know I'm a huge fan of Logitech and their products, especially the G502 gaming mouse. So here it is right here, 502 10-year anniversary. As you can see, this is actually, they made 502 of these. To stand corrected, and I got 293. So let's open this bad boy up. 10-year anniversary certification right over here. 293 out of 502. Absolutely amazing here. And here it is. I don't even want to take the plastic off. I really don't. And here we are, engraved 293 out of 502 G502X 10-year anniversary, 10-year edition. And yes, it does work and everything, as you can see. Lights go on and everything like that. Wow, truly amazing here. Let's get a closer look with this. Truly amazing mouse. I will be keeping that in the box, that is for sure. Huge thanks to Logitech for sending me this lovely gift over. I really do appreciate it. And once again, everyone, keep playing.